Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever thought of how the different 5 continuous improvement fundamentals work together? Where it begins and what solid fundamental it all has to stand at? How about if I tell you in the next few minutes you'll be able to understand how the different parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 work together to continuously improve and sustain our business processes. Join me. My name is Abdullah Rasmi. Yes, so in any organization, it will all start with the vision, where based on comes our long-term strategies, and from our long-term strategies, we derive our yearly business plan, and the yearly business plan actually is the core of our business. So of course, the critical process has to be captured with the SOP, where the detailed instruction of executing the processes as per the standard will be there. So with that, we'll be able to identify the most critical KPIs. And these critical KPIs needs to be monitored, needs to be tracked. So with that, we make a best use of the important fundamental, which is the visual management board. The visual management board would be structured as per PDCA, which is plan, do, check, act. With having a proper structure, of course, we'll be able to visualize our KPIs, as you can see here. And with that, then come the second important fundamental, which is the effective huddle, where the team will be huddling around the VM in a weekly basis or in a bi-weekly basis. It will all depend upon the criticality of the process or the KPI that we are visualizing here. The discussion will be around the VM in a way like how we can be more proactive in a way to improve our KPIs, or in case if any abnormalities or any challenges within the KPIs, then the discussion has to be around in a way like what improvement we need to come up with to ensure that the gaps or the obstacle that's stopping us from reaching our target gets improved, gets solved. So with that, here come the linkage between the visual management board and the CI ideas board. So with whatever improvement the team is capturing while they are huddling, of course, needs to be reflected here in the CI ideas board, as you can see here. Secondly, as a part of their standard work, team leads, managers, directors need to conduct a Gemba walk where they go to the exact place where the processes are performed. So in case of we wanted to know anything related to the e-recruitment, as an example, so we are expecting the leadership to be there in front of the screen, encouraging the process performer to make a use of the SOP, and the discussion will be around the SOP, where based on CI ideas are expected to be generated. And the third source, as you can see here, is when we have our one-to-one meeting with our line manager. So the discussion will be around, of course, the process that we are having as a part of our business. And with that, maybe we can come up with new ideas, as you can see here. And sometime maybe as a team, we need to conduct a brainstorming session to discuss anything related to the KPI that we are visualizing. So also ideas are expected to be generated. With that, team will be huddling around the CI ideas board. The discussion will be around the new CI ideas, which we are expecting them to be driven by data, where visibility and clarity will be there from all aspects. And also when it comes to the implementing the ideas, of course, here come the linkage between the implementation and the diverse CI execution. So with any approach that the team will be selecting, here where we need to build the capability of our team members. So with that, of course, with any implementation of any idea, an update has to be reflected in the SOP and also in the visual management board. So as a part of their standard work, of course, the team leads will be supporting the team members in coaching them to be a problem solver, and that will be by using any coaching techniques such as like coaching kata, improvement kata. That could be also be done while they are huddling around the VM and also while they are huddling around the CI ideas board. here come the most important fundamental, and that is considered to be the main driver of whatever I have just explained to you here, and that is the leader standard work and the operator standard work. So with that as a part of their standard work, team leads, managers, director, they will be conducting Gamba walks where they will go to the exact place to see the real status of all whatever related to the critical process. They will be also huddling with the team from time to time to ensure the right support is provided when it comes to the coaching the team to become more problem solver, and also they will be ensuring that SOPs are validated and they are up to date. So with that, of course, the great leader, they know shaping a new culture in any organization or with any team, it will all start with them.